What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are gonna be doing a kind of like unboxing. It's not unboxing. I keep calling it unboxing, but this is my randoms and collections. So random collections. I got a treasure chest. Let's flip it open. Oh, yep. These are my rock collection. Oh, one fell. This is my rock collection. This one's my favorite. It's like so clear. Okay, you can see my rock collection in a different video. Ooh, this one is seashells. This one right here looks like a duck foot. I don't know why. But seashells are weird. Okay, we got my mini coin collections. They're plastic. So yeah. No way. Yes! I finally found them. I don't know if you guys will know, but what these are. These are called Shrinky Dinks. This one I made. That was a ghost. This one is a flip flop. It's super tiny though. This one is a frog. This one is a rainbow. This one is from 2016, apparently. It is. I made this in 2016. That was allowed. This one I made. It's cupcake. It's not the best. This one is a duck. This one is a dog. Kind of looks like my doggy. Oh, there's one more. It's got stranded. It's a person. It's not the best though. Okay. We got pennies. Yeah. Pennies. Anything else but pennies, please. I've gotten so many pennies. The last thing. My lip balm collection. I love lip balms. Like, ultimate collector over here / hoarder. I have a lot of lip balms. Need to smell and need to try on after the video. Okay. So we got this glitter collection. This one is Candy Cane Wishes. These are from Christmas. That's why. And this one says, "Let it snow." It's pink. It smells delicious. That one used to be my favorite. This one is vanilla icing. This is my new favorite. Obviously white. It smells so good. This one, I don't know, they must have ripped off the label. Yep. This is definitely mint. I don't like mint. Don't like mint. Don't send me mint chapsticks or stuff. Okay. This one is a glitter gel. That's not a lipstick or a lip gloss. This one is a Revolution lip gloss. Super shiny in the camera. Wow. This one is a unicorn ice cream flavored glazed donut. That's a long name. That makes me curious. I want to smell it. It exploded. I just got it on my nose. I got it on my nose. Now my nose is going to smell like strawberry ice cream flavored glazed donut. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is a mini pocket lip balm. You saw this one in my video, if you saw the video. Super tiny. It's supposed to smell like pear, but it doesn't. Ooh, these ones are my two favorite. Look at them, they're so cute. This one is white. Smells like coconut. This one is birthday cake and it's purple. I like these. Like, Yay. I found things that I actually like. Yay. No, that's a lot of lip balm. Okay, this one, that's not a lip balm. Don't trust it. You're a liar in there. That was loud. I'm trying to do my outro. Jeez. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and love you guys so much and see you guys later. Bye.